is leading in all three seats for which results are being counted as we speak. Bhawanipur, Shamsherganj and Jangipur. Postal ballots are being counted at the moment. In all three seats, the TMC is leading. In Bhawanipur, it is the TMC's candidate Mamata Banerjee who is leading over the other two high-profile candidates who are in this election. BJP's Priyanka Tibrewal and CPM's Srijib Biswas. Dr. Nikhil Prasoon, I'll come back to you. My colleague Suryagni Roy is also joining us from on-ground Bhawanipur right now. Suryagni, what is the atmosphere in Bhawanipur? Postal ballots, of course, indicate that Mamata Banerjee is leading from Bhawanipur, but given the sort of jolt she suffered in Nandigram, she possibly must be watching these results very closely. We are going to try and reconnect with Suryagni in a short while from now, but initial trends that are coming in right now as far as the counting of all three seats are concerned, Shamsherganj, Jangipur and Bhawanipur, the TMC is leading right now. My colleague and consulting editor Rajdeep Sardesai is now joining us live from Kolkata on this, of course, very important and high-octane battle. Rajdeep, namaskar, good morning to you. Mamata Banerjee leading from Bhawanipur, but can she be absolutely confident given the surprise Nandigram sprung?
Well, I think, Pallavi, first of all, good morning, namaskar. We are here in North Kolkata in a Puja Pandal, or soon to be a full-scale Puja Pandal, the last big weekend before the Puja celebrations really start. Can Mamata Banerjee celebrate a little early? Perhaps, because at the end of the day, very difficult to defeat a sitting chief minister in a by-poll. I was trying to go through the history to see if any sitting chief minister had been defeated in a by-poll of this nature in the first year of his or her power, and I couldn't find an instance. So there's a huge advantage, obviously, to a sitting chief minister. Having said that, as was suggested by the BJP guest, Dr. Prasoon, that Bhawanipur in the Lok Sabha, the Trinamool actually trailed to the BJP in that particular segment. So it's not as if, it's a done deal and this has been always a bastion of the Trinamool. But you would expect Mamata Banerjee to win. I think it's more about the margin that she wins by, because I think that will give her a sense of confidence after the defeat of Nandigram. My colleague Indrajit is with us, also Shikha Mukherjee, senior journalist who's tracked Bengal for years, and Riju Datta joins us as of the TMC. Of course, we also have Dr. Prasoon of the BJP. But Indrajit, the question of this election going down to the wire, the amount of effort that the BJP has put in, for example, they had about half a dozen union ministers who've come in, 40% non-Bengali population, so bringing in the likes of Hardeep Puri, Smriti Irani. Clearly, the BJP wants to give it a fight. Is there a sense that it's about the margin in the end of the day that Mamata Banerjee wins by? If she squeaks home again, there will be question marks. If she wins big, then she has an element of comfort. Is it now about the margins, basically, or is there a real chance of a possible upset?
Well, as far as the BJP is concerned, initially they were finding it difficult to, pit a candidate against Mamata Banerjee. And that was very evident from what the previous state BJP chief Dilip Ghosh had said. He was candid about it. Finally, BJP, of course, zeroed in on Priyanka Tibrewal, fresh from her success at the Calcutta High Court case on post-poll violence. In fact, she has written a letter to the Chief Justice of the Calcutta High Court saying that, there should be some preemptive steps taken so that there is no post-poll violence today once the results are out. So clearly the BJP found Priyanka Tibrewal as the best candidate. The BJP lost this seat just a few months back in the assembly elections. They fought it well. For the BJP, what they think, of course, is that they should be able to give a tough fight to Mamata Banerjee. As you said, it's heavily stacked against the BJP, against the opposition party here, because we haven't seen, the record doesn't suggest that a sitting chief minister losing a by-poll.